If your home feels like a sauna, you need Comfort Air. Time to breathe easy. Humidity got you down? That sticky, uncomfortable feeling isn't just annoying, it can mess with your home and health. Meet Comfort Air Dehumidifiers, your ultimate solution against humidity. These smart gadgets zap excess moisture, making your space cool and comfy. Just plug it in, set it up, and let it work its magic. No more sweaty, sleepless nights or clammy mornings. Comfort Air's whisper-quiet operation ensures peaceful days and nights. And the best part? They're eco-friendly and energy-efficient. Perfect for any room size, Comfort Air adjusts to real-time conditions to keep you comfy 24/7. So why wait? Say goodbye to humidity and hello to comfort with Comfort Air. Check out the link in the description to transform your home today. Breathe easy, live better.